Here are the 3 worst banks in America for 2026. And unfortunately, there's a very good chance that you're banking at one of them right now. Coming in at number 3 is Citibank. They charge you $15 a month just for a regular checkings account, and $4.50 a month on top of that for having a savings account. You can avoid the fees, but you have to jump through their hoops to do it. And many people don't even know they're being charged. And they've racked up hundreds of $millions in regulatory fines for violating consumer protection laws. They have notoriously horrible customer service, long wait times, and accounts are being frozen without warning. And their savings rate? 0.01%. That's $1 for every $10,000 that you have in their bank. $1. Coming in at number 2, and no surprise to me, is Bank of America. They've been hit with $250 million in fines for things like double dipping on fees and withholding credit card rewards that people actually earned. And they have one of the highest complaint volumes of any bank in America. And their savings rate? 0.01%. Where have we heard that? That's $1 for every $10,000 that you have in their bank. $10,000 that they're making money on. And coming in at number 1 as the worst bank in America for 2026 is Wells Fargo. And it's not even close. Wells Fargo literally opened millions of fake accounts in customers' names without their permission. They got hit with one of the largest fines in banking history and still have a cap on their assets from the Federal Reserve. And on top of all that, they just raised their fees. Everyday checking went from $10 to $15 a month. They're charging you $180 a year to keep your money in their bank. Money they're lending out and making money on. Now you can't avoid that fee, but guess what? They just raised the price for you to do that too, from a minimum account amount of $500 up to $1,500 to avoid that fee. And their savings rate? Brace yourself, because you've heard this number before, 0.01%, basically zero. Guess how much you get on a $10,000 balance? Give you a hint, it's $1. Look, if you're with any of these banks, I'm not telling you to panic and run and close your account, but I am telling you there are much better options out there. Many credit unions and online banks are paying 4 to 5% interest right now, while these guys are handing you 0.01% and charging you fees on top of it. That's not a bank working for you. That's a bank working against you. Do your research, know where your money is, because these banks are counting on you not knowing. And don't forget to smash that follow button so that we can grow our net worth together.